Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you an after dark clean with me. I'm just gonna be cleaning in my bedroom to get ready for the night, and at first I just wanted to do some essential oils, and so I'm putting that out right now, and then I'm gonna start making my bed because I got those all clean and kind of straighten up a little bit and get ready for bed.
Ooh, I still think of you.
So at the beginning of my videos, I always like to introduce myself. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, DIY videos, decorate with me videos, and cooking videos. So if any of that interests you, make sure you push that subscribe button. And also, if you're new, make sure you say hello in the comments. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure you go ahead and push that thumbs up.
We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body. Last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down.
So now I'm just putting on my weighted blanket. I sleep with this every single night, never miss a night. Even when I travel, I take it with me. It's amazing. If you don't have a weighted blanket and you have like some type of anxiety or anything like that, it's very good for that. So I would encourage you to try it out. But now I am just turning down my bed so I can get ready for bed.
Headache and sore throat, constantly hungover, yeah. Eating all alone, sleeping on my own. Tell me how to be.
So this brings us to the end of this video. I'm just going to put a blanket down for Cooper. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to push that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Don't wanna be alone anymore. so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, ooh.